Come test drive the 2019 Buick Regal Sportback. The Buick Regal Sportback provides a stylish exterior and an extremely well-appointed interior. A high level of driving comfort is matched only by the functionality that accommodates the sporty hatchback. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 700 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, navigation system, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, hands-free communication, front-wheel drive. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.